channel. Let us see how to create an EC2 instance using Amazon Web Services. Let's open the Chrome browser and just type AWS login. To create any services in the AWS, you need to sign in through your root account. Here is my root account, and we are in our AWS console. So this is the AWS management console, where we can see the different services. On clicking on the services button, here are the different types of services which are provided by the AWS, and we can see the region, specified region where we are working on. We are at present the Asia Pacific Mumbai. It is a data center where our complete storage and data is stored at the Mumbai, and here is our account. These are our account details. Now let us create an EC2 instance. EC2 instance is an elastic compute cloud which provides different types of computers to run on Amazon Web Services. Amazon provides different types of computing services, in which EC2 is one. EC2. Let's open the EC2 console directly. This is our EC2 console, where we can see the instances, auto scaling groups, and elastic IPs, keypads, load balancers. So actually this is the dashboard of EC2 instance, where we can see the complete detail about each and everything in an EC2 instance. These are the auto scaling groups. We'll learn about that in future. So let's launch an instance. This is an interface of an instance. We need to click on the launch instance. Just directly launch an instance. We need to provide the name of an instance. So let us give the name called EC2 instance. So here are the Amazon machine images. We need to select which type of image we need to launch our instance. Here the Amazon provide different types of images. We can browse from here. See, it provides different types of images. It also contains own image. We need to select any of the one, but it is good to go with free tier. So just select the free tier instance. Let us check the free tier instance. See, here you can find the Ubuntu free tier eligible. Just select the free tier eligible one. We'll create an image. Wait for a couple of moments. So it's created an Ubuntu server for us, which is completely free tier. Just go to the free tier, which would be easy to manage, or Amazon console. So this is the type, which type of instance we need, and what should the capacity of that instance. Amazon provides different types of capacities of an instance, where T2.nano, T2.micro, T2.small, medium. It is having the large instances where the companies uses this type of instances. At present we need only free tier 1, which is completely free for free tier. Let's select T2.micro. So we need to generate a key pair. to connect with our instance. Let us give a name connect connect to instance. So this is my key value pair name. Just create key pair. These are the different types of network settings in which VPC we are launching the our EC2 instance and what are the subnets we are using. So we learn about this in future. Let's create an instance. So we are launching an instance. Successfully we launched it. Click on running instances. It will take a couple of seconds. Just refreshes. See, we launched our instance and instance state is running. And what type of instance we used? We use t2.micro. So here it comes status check. What until the status check is not activated, we can't able to run the instance and we can't use the instance. So just refresh it. We can see that our status check is okay now. Okay, everything is okay. Now let's connect to the this EC2 instance. To connect this, we are having the options called connect. Just click on the instance, go to connect, and here see, just click on EC2 instance connect. We can connect it through here. Just click on connect. It's easy to connect to EC2 instance directly through the console. We need to follow only the steps. Just connect, connect, connect. See, we launched our instance in Amazon console. So this is our EC2 console, and we can create a dictionary and let us make a dictionary. Let us check it. Is there? Yeah. See, here we created an dictionary in our EC2 console. So this is our, so in this way we can create an instance in the EC2. So this is the instance creation, and here we can see overall detail of our instance. We prefer the Ubuntu image. You can take any type, any image which you like. And here is a key value pair which we use to connect to the EC2 instance. So let us check a status check. Security monitoring. See, we can monitor everything. Networking and storage type. Okay, EC2 provides you just 8 GB of volume. In storage, we can see that the Amazon provides us 8 GB of memory, which is free for us for each instance. So that's it, friends. This is how we create an instance using AWS, and thank you, friends. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe, and like the video. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe and like the video.